Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte Blotting Paper. This stuff retails for 20 Canadian dollars. Let me open it up. Inside the package you get the paper holder as well as a roll of paper. Inside the paper holder you lift the door, open the inner door, and stick in that roll of paper. Click it in place, and you're ready to go. Let's take a closer look. You can see it's her millennial pink flesh tone color, and it does have a mirror on it. Opening it up, you can see how the paper comes out. Let's actually tie the paper out. And yes, it can rip cleanly if you hit the right angle and do it fast enough. So on Sephora's website, when they're using the paper, they kind of wrap it around their fingers. And the whole premise is that it's super portable and looks like a lipstick in your bag, which I also think is really cool. The papers are not supposed to disturb your makeup. And another benefit is you can pick as much paper as you like because it's just one big roll. And I filled it up very fully with oil. But prior to getting this Invisimatte paper, I've been using the Boscia black charcoal paper, which comes in this little container. And you pull out a sheet of paper and away you go. Mine has gotten a little beat up from being in my bag, so I mean, I think the portable case does make a lot of sense. Comparing the two papers side by side, I definitely feel like the Fenty is a little bit thinner, and so maybe a little bit less absorbent, because I do fill it up very quickly. And both of the papers do turn slightly translucent once they have been filled up with oil, so you can admire how much oil you've managed to take off. In terms of size of the product, here is Rihanna Beauty's matchstick, and here is the blotting paper. Here's a MAC lipstick, and here is the blotting paper. If you run out of paper, refills are $12.50, and you can just buy the paper rolls individually. So I do like the fact that you buy the compact once and away you go. I do feel like the papers are maybe a little bit delicate for a greasy gal like me. I think it's super chic, super beautiful, and a great little idea for taking your blotting papers with you, making sure they're nice and safe. And I just love the concept of having them in this little case. So overall, I'm impressed. I like it. I do wish it tore perfectly every time, but you just got to get the right speed and angle to make it rip properly, and it's no big deal. And I would recommend. So make sure you check them out next time you're at Sephora. Alright guys, that is today's quick little video. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Fenty Invisimatte blotting paper. Let me know if you're thinking about picking it up or what your favorite blotting paper is. I do really like the Boscia ones as well, and I'm pretty much almost out of them, so that's why I decided to try the Fenty one. And now I guess since it's a permanent holder, I'm permanently locked into this system. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring this video content to you guys. If you're interested, you can check out how to support me for as little as $2 a month. Thank you for watching, and with that, you guys, I will see you in my next beauty video. Make sure you check me out over on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Alright, bye!